Good morning, students. Welcome to our class. Children, today we are going to study a very interesting topic in grammar, that is articles. So let's get started. Article. The sun is shining. Rima is eating an apple. A boy is playing. A, and the, which we often use in English sentences, are called articles. When do we use a or an? A and an are used for one person or one animal or one object or one place, etc. Like a tree means one tree. A dinosaur means one dinosaur. An eagle means one eagle. Same way, an is used for one person or one animal or one place or one object, etc. But we use an with the naming words start with a vowel sounds, that is a, e, I, o, u are vowels in English. An umbrella. There is one umbrella. We can't say a umbrella because it starts with a vowel sound u. Umbrella. So we used an for one umbrella. An elephant. Elephant starts with a vowel e. It starts with a vowel sound, so we say an elephant for one elephant. An ant means one ant. A is a vowel sound and ant starts with a vowel, so we used an ant. Most of the time a word starts with a vowel, it starts with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U are vowels in English. Rest of the letters are called consonants. We use an if the name starts with a vowel like an ice cream. Ice cream, it starts with a vowel sound. An igloo. Igloo starts with a vowel sound I. An apple means one apple. Apple starts with a vowel sound apple. So, an apple. Now children, tell me, when do we use a to refer to one person or one animal or one object? If the naming word doesn't start with a vowel sound, then we use a. For example, a cat means one cat. It doesn't start with a vowel. Cat. It starts with a sound of consonant. A table means one table. It starts with the sound of T, which is a consonant. So we use a table. A tall man means one tall man. Generally, if words starts with consonant, it starts with a consonant sound. Here, T is a consonant sound, so we use a to talk about one tall man. R. Here, the word starts with a consonant H, but it doesn't start with the sound of H. R. See, it start with the sound of a vowel. So we say an R. For one R. Honest man. Here H is not pronounced. We say here H is silent. Honest. It starts with a vowel. Sound of O. So we say an honest man, not a honest man. Some words starts with vowel but don't starts with vowel sound. For example, university. It starts with the sound U. So it starts with a consonant sound. So we say a university, not an university. Same way, one day match. It starts with the sound one, W. It starts with a consonant sound. So we use a before one day match. To use an, the word must be starts with the vowel sound. The sun, the moon, the earth. There is only the one sun, one moon and one earth. We use the before things that is one of its kind. We use the before names of ocean, sea, rivers, etc. For example, the Indian Ocean, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea. Whenever we say name of ocean, sea or river, we add the before the names. Like the Ganga is a holy river. When we talk about a particular thing or animal or person, etc., we use the. The cow is very happy. We are talking about a particular cow, not any cow. So we say the cow. The dog is very brave. We are talking about a particular dog, not any dog. So we say the dog is brave. So let's revise quickly. We used an if the vowels starts with a sound of vowel, like an eagle and egg. This word starts with the sound E. An honest man means one honest man. It starts with a sound O. We use a if the word starts with a sound of consonant, like a butterfly is flying in the room. Butterfly starts with the sound B. Same way, a cat, a hen, both starts with the sound consonants. The is used when we talk about a particular objects or particular person or a thing which is one of its kind. The sun. There is only one sun. If you want to talk about a particular boy, you say the boy. Students, I hope you all understood the topic articles, where to use a, an and the. Thank you.